Well, good Saturday morning. Putting on these new hoses. I dropped this one in the dirt. I think it's got a cap on it, but these are brand new. They do have some paint on them though, because I was painting our house and spilled some on the back, and they had them in the bed of the truck. But so I got these are 2 1/2-inch JIC hoses I bought from Cat, and they go like from this fitting here. This one here needs to replace too. This one goes across the tank, but they're supposed to go into the tank and over. Through this little hole, and then under. See these ears on the bottom of this winch mount in front of the fuel tank? Those 2 ears. Well, there's 2 there, and then there's one's broke off, and then one up there. At least I think it's broke off, or it's just not there. But these hoses go through there, but they make a sharp 90. I gave up once already trying to get it around through there, but I will. So, and then they come up and down and up through there to that cylinder. So I had 2 made, and I don't know, man. I don't know if Cat accidentally measured the overall length and then charged me 2, but I was looking at the price list. It has 2 hoses, but it was $500 for 2 hoses. Now they are fairly long, and they're probably 6 feet long each, but $500, $498 for 2 hoses, and they're just JIC ends. I don't know. Seems excessive. The 1-inch hoses I made were less money than these, so I thought about going back, but anyways, probably not a big deal. I mean, it is annoying, but maybe the 1/2-inch, maybe the price just went up. I did find this buried in all the dirt, this Spencer's tape. It's not retracting, but maybe a guy can clean it up. It's retracting a little. You have all that up. So, anyways, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'll bring you back once we're successful. Okay, so I gotta put the little belly pans or access panels, whatever you want to call them, on this machine. But I got the hoses on, kind of routed. I don't know if you can see. Routed really look pretty decent. This is the new fitting. I also changed out. This is not the first time. I've had to swap a few of them. I think 4 of them now. All of them have been like, they get bumped with logs. I bought a brand new extra one. This was a brand new one, and you can see the threads are damaged when it got pulled. But some of these, you know, like this one, it's a little messed up, but I think a guy could take a thread file and clean it up in an emergency, so I kept them. But those hoses are all done, brand new fitting. And over here it's not beautiful, but it's better. This is an extra long hose that was on the machine. This will be another project for a different day because it just annoys me, but there's nothing wrong with it. These are the brand new hoses. Kind of not laying in there as nice as I'd like, but anyways, that's them. And this one is actually this one, and it's got a fitting on it, so I can get a shorter, or I'll make a shorter one later that lays in there better, but for now it just gets kind of tucked up right here. So I'd like to do that, but I got to get some logs, so you know, maybe a slow day or something I can change that. But overall I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, I guess we'll go ahead and put the belly pans on. All right, no leaks, and he's off to the races. Go grab some logs.